You're not going out?
It's quieter in here.
I think so. I think the house will shake.
Maybe Stuart took that. No, Stuart wasn't. Ryan wasn't there when Stuart was there.
What's going to happen to that wood?
We'll find out.
What if one of them gets conked on the head? That'll be the last time we'll set it on the firewood, right?
Yeah.
Have they lit it?
Nope, you'll know. He's getting ready to right now. He's gonna shoot a bullet into it. Must be Dad.
Well, that didn't sound
Wish I
very
had bought
much.
some.
We had a plenty of hodgepodge of
Wish
stuff.
I'd have bought some.
That
Bought
didn't
some.
sound like very much.
Oh, that wasn't it yet. Okay, here he goes.
There it goes. Misfire. A misfire.
Really?
Yep. Here we go.
Okay, get ready, Grandma.
Way to go, Brian!
Wow.
You knocked all the crap off the thing in here!
Oh.
He's smiling.
Little pep says on day.